Yes, hello friends, welcome back to Math School. If it's your first time, I would like you to consider subscribing to the channel. Please don't forget to like the video in case you enjoy it. Don't forget to share the video to anyone who would like the video, and drop for me a comment in the comment box. Tell me what you think about the video or about the channel generally. So today we're going to look at how to write sine rule for any triangle. I would have added in the correct way. Yeah, you have to always know that it should be in the correct way for any triangle. So let's start it straight away. Let me have this triangle. Okay, we have that. Let's give this angle A. Let's give this angle B. We give that angle to be angle C. And let their respective vertices be A, B, and C. Just like that. So how do we write the sine rule for this angle, for this triangle? We will know that I'll give this side that, I'll give that side that, and I'll give that side that. I'm making sure that the side, one side is directly opposite to the one angle, another side is directly opposite to that, another side is directly opposite to that. One thing you need to clarify from here is that you need to know that these ones are in uppercase, the angles and the vertices are in uppercase. Meanwhile, the sides are in lowercase. C is a lowercase, A and B can clearly be seen that is a lowercase. So the sine rule for that triangle would just be A out of sine A equals to B out of sine B equals to C out of sine C. You need to know that that C is lowercase, meanwhile this C is uppercase. So I'm still explaining to you that we are writing like this. I want you to observe something that will always be consistent in all your sine rules whenever you write sine rule for any triangle. The upper ones are the sides, like A, B, C, length of the sides, which could be any in centimeters, in meters, anything you could consider. So this side, let me say 1 centimeters, 2 centimeters, or 3 centimeters, anything you would like to call. And these ones are the angles, which are always given in degrees. This A, angle B, angle C, respectively. So how would you write sine rule for any other triangle? You need to notice that it's the side, one side out of the sine of the angle directly opposite to that side. You can see this side A is directly opposite to that angle A. That's why it's A out of sine A. Another side B is directly opposite to this angle B. That's why you see it's B out of sine B there. Another side C is directly opposite to this angle C, uppercase C. That's why you see there lowercase c out of sine of uppercase C. That's a simple way you can master, and you'll never misfire in any sine rule for any triangle. So let's give you another example and see whether we can come up with a better sine rule for it. I'm going to give you a 45 degrees. Okay. And I'll give here, let me say, angle theta, we don't know. I'm going to give you a 60 degrees. Okay, then let's let the vertices be A, B, C. Okay, let's let here be 2 centimeters. Let's say we don't know this one is X centimeters, and we know, and this one will be Y centimeters. How would we know the sine rule for this triangle? I told you previously is that one side out of sine of the angle directly opposite to that side, another side out of the sine of the angle directly opposite to that side, and the other side out of the sine of the angle directly opposite to that side. So that sine rule, it says that if that one side out of sine of the angle opposite to it equals to another side of the sine of the angle opposite to it equals to another side out of the sine of the angle opposite to it. So how would you write the sine rule for this triangle? Let's consider one side X out of sine of the angle opposite to X is 45 degrees. Another side, let's say Y equals to Y out of sine of the angle opposite to it, which is 60 degrees. Another side, let me say 2 out of sine of the angle directly opposite to it, which is theta. So that is the sine rule for that triangle. This triangle, its sine rule is here. That's how you get the sine rule for any triangle. And I assure you, use this method, you'll never forget to write sine rule for any triangle. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you'll try out to any other triangle, whether you can get the sine rule correctly, and try out with your assignment in class. I swear you will not fail. Thank you for coming. Don't forget to like the video in case you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. By doing that, you support me a lot, and I'm so grateful for that. Don't forget to share the video to any friend who might need the video. You never know, there's someone out there who doesn't know the sine rule. Please share it to him. Comment, let me know. Do you have anything for me? Drop it in the comment box. Thank you for coming. See you in my next video.